Incognito on Netflix. All right, so beginning January 17, 2025.
January 17 on Netflix.
That's right. Hindi lang yun. Meron pa I Want Team FC on January 18. Meron pa, and on Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live, Jeepney TV, TV5, and A2Z on January 20, 2025.
So it's gonna be everywhere. Talaga mapapanood natin lahat mga kapamilya. Netflix, I Want TFC, of course, meron yung Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live, Jeepney TV, TV5, A to Z. Lahat po yan naabangan natin. Ang ganda ng pasok ng 2025 natin.
Agad. It's not far talaga. It's only like 7 weeks away. So, paano nyo yan?
That's right. Konting days na lang mapapanood na natin. Pero grabe yung trailer na yun.
Yeah.
And of course, we have to thank our dear creative minds behind Incognito.
Yes, Incognito, here we go. With that said, joining us on stage are the visionaries behind the Iron Heart. Make some noise for Derek Lester Pimentel.
And our business unit head for Star Creative, Miss Tess de Guzman. Hi, Miss Tess. Hi, Derek Lester. Kindly take a seat and please greet everyone. Bumati na po kayo sa ating mga kapamilya na nanonood ngayon. Yes. Would you like to go first, Miss Tess?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat and welcome to the Media Con of Incognito.
Thank you, Miss Tess. Derek Lester.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming over and thank you for supporting the launch of Incognito.
Alright, and now let's hear from the cast. Siyempre, kanina pa kayo inaabangan bumati ng ating mga kapamilya. Simulan natin kay Kyla Estrada.
Everybody, thank you for braving the traffic today to be with us, and thank you for supporting, of course, the Media Con of Incognito.
Thank you. And next we have Anthony Jennings.
Hello. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga pumunta dito. Sana enjoy niyo po yung trailer na.
And let's have Maurice Racal.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming tonight. Salamat sa suporta. Ganda ng trailer. Nalakas sa akin. Enjoy lang tayo tonight. Thank you.
All right, next we have Baron Geisler.
Thank you very much sa inyong lahat. Good evening sa lahat ng mga kapamilya worldwide. And sana po na-enjoy niyo yung trailer po natin and the rest of this event. Thank you.
Thank you, Baron. And now let's have Ian Veneracion.
Galing ako sobrang excited and thank you for joining us and thank you for supporting this and yeah, sila Derek Lester, sila Miss Des, we're working so hard to give good quality show, so sana ma-appreciate nyo.
Thank you, Ian. Next we have Richard Gutierrez.
Sa pagdalo nyo dito sa aming video launch ng Incognito sa mga kapamilya natin online. Thank you guys for joining us tonight. And congrats to the whole team. Ang ganda ng trailer natin. So, I hope ma-excite kayo para sa mga susunod na makikita nyo dito sa Incognito. Thank you guys.
Sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa oras na ibinigay niyo para ngayong gabi at sa pagtulog. Enjoy lang tayo ngayong gabi.
Alright, thank you very much to the cast and also the creative minds at Direct. We also want to acknowledge our action director, Juan Yan Bin, and Director Ian Loreños, who is not with us today, but we would like to invite them.
Of course, napakalaki ng mga bahagi nila in making this project. And of course, our creative producers, Sir Henry Kitayan and Sir Jay Fernando. Hello po, maraming salamat. And also our head writer, Heneriza Reyes Francisco, and writer Maan Pangulmen. Hello po.
Our executive producers, Miss Sabrina Christine Prince and Miss Pamela Menjola Quezon. There they are, right there.
And of course, we cannot forget our friends from the media who are here. Thank you very much. And of course, our dear fans.
Okay, so now that you've met the minds behind Incognito, it's time to have a question and answer portion right now. And you will get to hear directly from the cast and everyone behind the scenes as well.
Yes, that is right. So let's make the most out of our time tonight. We have here the questions from our media friends. Unahin na natin for Direk Lester and Miss Des. Ito po ay para sa inyo. Ang ganda ng question. What is the story behind the story? Pakikwento naman po.
Who would like to go? Direk Lester? Ano naman po? What is the story behind Incognito?
This is a story about 7 individuals who are going through a lot of challenges in their lives. They're at the low, nasa mababang part sila ng journey nila sa buhay. Pero ito yung time na ng journey nila na they're aspiring for a second chance.
Thank you, Direk Lester. Miss Des, kayo po ba may i-share po kayo? Paano na po yung kwento?
Okay, the story behind the story. This was presented to the management by Direk Lester, their team, and then the management liked it, they approved of it, and then pinasa sa Star Creatives. We helped develop and then developed, and so ito na siya ngayon na sana magustuhan nyo. Ayun.
I'm sure they will.
Trailer pa lang, gusto-gusto na natin, di ba? Grabe talaga yung trailer na yun.
Yes, that's right. I have goosebumps talaga.
Yes.
Okay, next question. And itong tanong na to is to anyone who feels like that wants to answer this. So the question is, how do you prepare for your role? And how do you compare your role here in your past teleserye and then now? So how do you prepare for your role?
This is coming.
Action 3.
Actually, lahat po kami nag-undergo po kami sa training for months eh. Tapos, nag-pikiti kami, nag-muay thai, tapos tactical. So lahat, ang dami namin tinry. Nag-war games kami, gano'n. So,
actually help yan eh.
Oo, para maramdaman mo talaga yung feeling nung kung ano yung pakiramdam ng nasa war ka talaga. And ayun, nakita naman namin yung chemistry ng lahat. Nag-training na kami, tapos dami namin pas na palagi.
Super dami namin pinagdaanan bago mag-day 1. Honestly, mga siguro 4 months, not every day, but mga almost 4 months kami nag-train. So, ang dami namin pinag-aralan, ang daming first time kong ginawa personally na hindi ko in-expect na makakahawak pala.
Nagmotor ka na.
Wala pa yun. Pero yan, dami namin pinagdaanan bago mag-day 1. Kaya sa 4 months na yun, nabuo na rin yung friendship namin.
So yung training na yun, we were taught how to do yung mga room clearing, when entering building, tsaka doon mahalata kasi kung maganda yung chemistry and then yung proper training, handling the weapons. So we would sometimes go to mga airsoft games, and then as a team, minsan tapos sa firing range, different weapons, lahat ng individual weapons na gagamitin namin, ng characters namin, kailangan namin aralin yung weapon na yun sa firing range. Aside from sa martial arts area, mga tactical moves for that. So, kasi nga, alam namin sobrang ma-action to.
Finger of the trigger.
Finger of the trigger. Lagi siyang finger on the trigger.
Delikado. Oo, delikado yan. Yes, dear Chester?
So basically, before we start the show, we set up a training camp. The training camp is like an athlete's camp or a soldier's camp. How an athlete would prepare for a competition, that's how we do it. So they really endured a lot of pain and hard work.
So much pain.
They trained martial arts. We wanted to showcase Filipino martial arts in this show. Several kinds of Filipino knife fighting, sword fighting, and hand-to-hand combat. And then they also trained in real tactical close-quarter combat. We trained under some of the best military consultants for them to teach us all, including us directors, how to fight a real battle inside a close-quarter combat. We fired real guns. We fought in a simulated way, and then other than that, it's also a team building. But it's a grueling 4 months, 4 months journey. So before we shoot the first day, medyo okay na yung bonding ng team.
Grabe yung 4 months na training bago
Yes. Parang basketball team yan eh. Kailangan chemistry.
Oh,
walang chemistry, wala.
At kung sinasabi
Richard, you gonna say something?
Yeah, I just want to give a shout out also to two of our consultants, Sir Benjo Ramos and Sir Patch Caballero, who's been there with us since day one of training. Sila nag-training sa amin ng tactical moves, pikititir siya, and they also joined us on set, to guide us sa proper positionings and everything tactical-wise. So I want to give shout out to those guys.
Yes, maraming salamat po. And kanina rin when Direk Lester was discussing yung pain, si Anthony, Anthony sabi na, pero worth it. Wow, worth it naman. Oo nga. Now, we would also like to know about your roles na po. Each one, pwede po bang kwentuhan niyo kami without spoiling too much, no? Pero nakita naman natin yung trailer, so you have an idea na kung ano na yung medyo pwede nang malaman ng ating mga kapamilya. So please tell us about your roles. Let's start with Kyla Estrada. Yes?
Okay, saan ka ba talaga nag-start? So, my character's name is Max Alvero, and she is, according to Sir Ian's character. Sir Ian? Tito Ian's character. Kuya Ian. She is considered to be one of the best hackers that he knows. So very technical yung role ni Max dito and yung role niya and the team. But she's also very skilled physically. Well, sorry, just wanted to set that up. But yeah, so she's the hacker of the team. And her personality, she's very, I would say she's a pretty stoic person. And she's very business is business, and that's kind of her personality. And yeah, I feel like it works well with a team of very colorful personalities.
Thank you very much, Kai. Kahit inuna kita at ginulat kita, ang ganda ng sagot mo, Kai.
Okay, and we'll go on with next. Anthony.
Si Tomas, yung character ko dito, ano siya? Matapang eh. Tapos siguro, ano lang siya eh, parang mahirap lang siya. Pero, yun nga eh, kulang-kulang din siya. Pero, ayan, meron siyang tapang and ano siya eh, hindi siya discharged soldier. Parang hindi siya graduate kasi nagkaroon ng problema. Pero, ayan, nahanap ako ng mga to. Tapos, basta panoorin mo. Nakita niyo.
Thank you, Anthony. At ang napaka-sexy si Maris Racal.
Hindi kasi pagdating ko dito na ano ako sa gate.
At sumabi, ano ulit? Yung pala yun, guys.
Yan, panoorin niyo po sa CCTV. Hindi ko ka din alam ba't ko ito sinabi. Anyway, yung name ng character ko dito ay si Gabriela Rivera. And sa grupo, she's also magaling din siya sa hand-to-hand combat, tactical, yung fight, but yung specialty, yung ano niya dito, yung skill niya talaga dito, they call it the honeypot. So she infiltrates different groups. So she will be dealing with a lot of people. She's a shapeshifter-ish, and she speaks a lot of different languages.
So part of the brains.
So she's a spy.
Spy?
Yeah, she's a spy of the group. Yes. Well, yeah, yun ang masasabi ko pa na yun. Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Thank you, Nurse. Okay, next we have Baron.
Yeah, hello.
True. Yung character ko dito, sobrang mabuting tao.
Change of role.
Medyo kailangan ko yung workshop nila Miss Des, Sir Henry, and the team. Ito bumagay naman kasi sa character ko, yung pangalan niya is Miguel Texon. Ang dami niyang skills set and ang laking tulong niya doon sa grupo kasi isa po siyang napakagaling na sniper, isa rin po ako sa medic, doktor ng team, and isa rin po akong alcoholic. Recovering alcoholic. I think natutuwa po ako kay sa pool of writers ng Incognito na hindi lang pagdabol sa war, pati na rin yung pagdabol sa mental health and awareness na what addiction and kung ano pang mga PTSD at kung ano pang mga sakit na dinideal ng mga bawat characters dito. So maraming matututunan ang mga manonood dito.
So aside from the action, meron pang ibang mapupulot ang ating mga kapamilya pag nanood sila ng Incognito.
That's exactly right.
Okay, now let's go to Ian Veneracion.
Ako naman po, ang character ko dito, ako yung pinakabunso. So si Kuya DJ at si Kuya Charge. I play the role of Greg Paterno, and he has a long history of military service, has worked overseas, and he's a tactician, he's a planner, and siya yung nakikipag-negotiate for the whole team. And then siya rin ang nagbe-brief kung ano yung situation, anong gagawin. And yun, and pero sarili niya, marami rin siyang nakaraan na unresolved issues, personal issues, na hindi ko pa siguro dapat i-disclose, pero along the way, makikita rin kasi yung individual journey ng kada character. That's I think what makes it really interesting. Hindi lang siya action na bagilan, it's 7 different characters and different phases in their journey. Tapos nagtatagpo-tagpo sila. So minsan maganda minsan swak yung dynamics. Minsan may tension between characters. So it's really interesting.
So may depth din yung characters nila. But ako, I also want to ask, kasi fan talaga ako ni Ian Veneracion. We know that you fly also, di ba? You're a pilot. So magagamit niyo ba yung dito?
Sa lahat ng skills namin, lahat siguro nagagamit namin dito.
Ooh, exciting.
Very exciting. Sa trailer pa lang, di ba? It's a good teaser pa lang. Alright, next we'll have